I've got a package from Cubas, not sponsored. Seven by 7. And Megaminx. Thanks for the candy. Okay, so this is, let me look. This is MoYu MeiLong 7x7 V2 standard. Okay, let's open it up. So this one should be looped. Oh my god, it's very nice. And it's looped. Nice. And now the Megaminx. This is, I don't know how to read it. Oh my god, I scrambled it up. Okay. Okay, that's it. If you want to see another unboxing, just click here and see you there. Bye. By the way, both reviews of these cubes are coming next year, so subscribe.